Assalamu alaikum.
Cheio de gol.
From here. Yeah, it is what it is. Let's go. Wow. Assalamu alaikum. Give me water. Huh? So this place will be open in December? This December? Wala January? How are you? Good? Bo. What's up? What are you going on? Today we'll be training shoulders. That's the most important thing of today. Guys, I'm not feeling very well. I am very sick. But nevertheless, we work out. You know, once you're addicted to iron, to metal, no matter how you're feeling, you must come to the gym and you must make it happen. That's it. First of all, when we enter the gym, today is being shoulder day, we need to start with warm up. We start with pull up. Yeah, we do 10 pull up. Then we try to put some movement on the shoulder straps so that we don't get injured. That's the most important thing. All right. We try side raises with low weight, and then when we get the blood flowing, that's when we start beating the muscles. All right. First of all, the pull up, and then we go side raises with 5 kg. We'll do some front raises. That one should be around with 10 kg. They're just still warming up. Then after warm up, then we will hit the bones, hit the whole muscle. That's it. Yeah, then I got a glass. We normally do 15, you know, it's actually not heavy, but we do 15 because it's close to failure, you know. Yeah, don't stress yourself too much no matter what, because when you strain it too hard down to failure, that's when you get injury, you know. That's it. So we're still on warm up, and then after the next level, and then we start beating the muscle. Now we are going on a barbell front raises. After the very part, we know that the whole body is warm up, the whole shoulder is burning. We have 2 more variations on the barbell front raises, and then we're good to go to beat down the muscles. Let's go. Now I can feel the whole veins in my body all beating up, all heating up. That's what we wanted. That's the main focus, like to get the whole blood flowing. It's time to beat up the muscle. It's time to beat down the muscles. Let's go. Okay. And this is what it's all about. I'm not feeling well. I'm not that strong. But I'm trying as much as I can, as hard as I can, to make sure I do the proper things that I needed to do. As you can see, I lift lesser than I can. Even sometimes when I'm doing shoulder press, dumbbell shoulder press, I can't lift properly the 30 kg because I'm very weak, because I'm sick. Definitely and probably on our next video will come back strong. I love you all for being here today. Thank you. See you next time.